skills in the field. You know the drill. You seen them papers, you know what's the deal.
All right. What's the deal, y'all? I'm back here again for part 2. It's your boy Black Fire 313, and we're going to be going over part 2 of our Krump combination, you know what I'm saying? So if you haven't seen part number 1, go ahead and check that link in the description to catch yourself up, because we ain't leaving y'all behind. We always going to leave a way for you to catch up, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do over here. So part 2 is going to be a continuation of part 1. So if you ain't watched part 1, you might want to, okay?
Do it!
Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to Banga for these fire tracks, you know what I'm saying? He always come in with some heat. Takes time and be patient when he makes these tracks. And I'll even leave a link in the description to his music, what we're going to be dancing to, all right? So, I hope y'all warmed up. I hope y'all stretched, because we about to get right into it. I already warmed up, which is why my forehead kind of sweaty. I don't know if you can see it. But other than that, let's get right into it. Okay, everyone, okay. So, I'm going to give you a quick review since I'm feeling... I'm in a good mood. I'm just in a good mood, okay? So I'm just show y'all what's going on, okay? So, from the top of part 1, for those who didn't see it, here we go. 5, 6, and then we're going to do with music. 7, 8, 1, and the 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. Okay? Now we're going to do with music. Hold on. We're going to do with music. We're going to do all that with music, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Move. Okay, y'all. So, from the end of part 1, striking a pose here, okay? I want you to remain here. Right hand is in front. This is my right. Left hand is in the back. So you should be kind of gripping the wrist, okay? So what we're going to do from here, I want you to slide the right to the elbow of the left. 2, this is 2. Left hand going to slide back to the right hand of the wrist. And this is end. Right is going to escape one more time from the grasp of the left into a jab. Your body should also be going down slowly as you're doing this. So it should look like this. 2 and 3. Okay? One more time. So here, 1, 2, and 3. Make sure this is pointing, highlighting this leg. So we're about to do something extraordinary with this leg, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're here. I want you to build up some power in this leg. I want you to push off, slide it, replace it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That leg lift I did back here actually helps. So try to kick yourself in the butt and then stretch it out. Back leg gonna kick you in the butt, stretch it out, and then you're gonna pull this right after. Replace it. Put it all together. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Imagine you got some nasty old chewing bubble gum, the hubba bubba on the bottom of your shoe. Wipe it off. Replace it. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Okay? So landing on this is 5. Okay? From 5, we're going to add 2 more steps. 5 and 6. Sorry if I confused y'all. I am facing the left direction. You can also do it forward, but I kind of like changing my direction. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be, steady, facing this way when I can face this way and this way. So here we go. So we slid it off. Let's start from the top. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so at 6, you should be standing straight up. Okay, you can hop into it. 5 and 6 if you want. It's optional. 6 and. So you should be at an upright position 6, bring it here, preparatory. So you're getting ready to jab, okay? You're getting ready to jab.
Knock out, straight uppercut, left, right, hook, knock out.
This is and, 6 and. I'm gonna show you 7 and. Here we go. 7 and. I'm gonna face this way and I'm gonna show you. Here we go. Jab forward. 7. So that's 7 gonna be backwards and forwards, okay? Boom, boom. 7. It's syllables. Count the syllables. You remember what they taught you in school, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. 7 and. I want you to look away from that last placement. We're gonna go forward, back, out, okay? 7 and. So what that's gonna do, you should be able to feel this opening in this area, in this field right here. 7 and. There's a reason for that, okay? So you just created this big old portal, right? It's a big opening, but that opening is gonna pull, okay? So here we go. 7 and. What I want to do from here, this left right here, is gonna guide you. All your weight should be here. This is what's controlling you. It's gonna guide, okay? Get on your toes, guide. This one's gonna follow, okay? It's like follow the leader. Oh, I'm going this way. I wanna go this way too. Okay, here we go. We here. So, while we're here, you should be here. I want you, at this point, flat-footed on the toe. You see? Flat-footed on the toe. So, and then I want you to just grab, okay? We wanna put it all together. 7 and 8 and, okay? You should grab here. 7 and 8 and 1. That's all you got to do. Start it from the top. We're going to clean it up, and then we're going to execute. We're going to try with some music and see how it goes, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and I want you to just bring that left leg forward with some might. I want you to hop like you're doing hopscotch like back in the day. Throw it down. All you gotta do, throw that left leg, jump with it, and toss it down. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt your back. We not going like this. Okay, I don't want you to go in to work the next day like I was doing some choreography and I hurt my back. We ain't doing that, okay? I'm not about to get y'all on workers' comp. Matter of fact, you can't even get workers' comp because you did it off duty, okay? So, with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, move 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Wow! Run the very top. Here we go. Move 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and boom. I'm so live for you. Yeah. Again. It's that white. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1. I'm so live for you. 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8.
Soon as the zoom on my target, better.
Did y'all get that? Okay. Hope y'all got that. I need some water. That's it. That's it, right? Yeah. Yeah. If you didn't get the beginning, part 1 is always available. Part 2 is just a continuation of part 1, okay? Putting both combos together. I thought it was pretty fire. I hope you thought it was pretty fire. Cause if it wasn't fire, my name won't be backfire to firefighter, you know what I'm saying? So we about to be out of here. So I love y'all. I thank y'all for giving this a try. Stepping out your comfort zone. I appreciate you. I love each and every one of you. Take care. Have a great day. Hold on. And we out of here. Boom.
Back up on me. There's real ones in the field. You know the drill. You seen them papers, you know what's the deal.